How to buy PC games from Steam using the Steam Deck Big Picture mode. First of all, press the home button of your controller and click on Store. Now you can surf for games which you want. You can search for Steam Deck and Linux verified games by clicking here. You can also browse various game catalog by going into the Categories tab, scrolling through the Steam Store, and search for the games here which you want to buy at the moment. Now click or tap on the search box and use the Steam Deck on-screen keyboard to search for the games. If you're on a PC or laptop, then you need to use the physical keyboard and mouse of your system. Now I wanted to buy Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite, but for some reason, Steam Search has excluded this game from the search result. I don't know why. So if this also happens with you, then you may see a notice like this. You may find the game's name over here that you're looking for. So I will just click on Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite. You can also see and change your preferences from the settings. Now, yeah, I found the game. Now after that, you can see the add to cart option, but don't click on that now. If you want to play this game on your Steam Deck or any other Linux device, then you should first check its Linux support or Steam Deck compatibility. Like in our situation, as you can see, Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite is officially not supported on Steam Deck. However, most of the unsupported, labeled games run smoothly with some tweaks and changes on the Steam Deck and several other Linux distros out there. So to ensure this, you can go to proton.db to see what others are experiencing with the same game on Linux. Or you also might want to check out some game testing videos on YouTube for the game that you're buying. So you don't need to worry much about it. So after all these, from the right side, scroll down to see all the other editions that the game has. Now in our scenario, this game has 2 different editions, with each of its own price tag. Now prices and currency will vary obviously as per your region. You can click on package info to see what the non-standard edition of the game is offering to you, so that you don't waste your money on unnecessary or overpriced DLCs. Now after finishing choosing the edition, you can now click on the add to cart option for the particular edition of the game. After that, click on the purchase for myself option, or you can also click on the purchase as a gift option if you're going to gift a game to your friends or family. I am currently getting the game for myself, so let's click on this purchase for myself option. After that, choose your payment method and fill all the necessary details for the billing information. Now I am buying the game using my Steam wallet. If you're choosing net banking, or debit or credit card, then there's an extra step, that is you need to fill out your card or bank details along with the OTP which will be provided to you. Everything will remain same as per this video. Now, you can also save your billing details if you want to. Now, take some time and fill each and every detail patiently which are required here.
2 very boring minutes later.
So after filling all the billing details, check on this white box to agree with the Steam agreement and click on purchase. Now you need to wait for up to 5 minutes for the purchase to complete. You will get a message like this once it is done. Now remember guys, as I have said before, you need to fill in some extra details after clicking on the purchase option if you are using debit or credit card, or net banking. Now after completing your purchase, click on View in Library to see your game. Now you can install your newly purchased game whenever you want. Just click on the install button and choose the storage device to store the game. You can also scroll below to explore the DLCs that you've brought with the game. So guys, this is how you can buy games from Steam using the Steam Deck Big Picture mode. If you are facing any issue, or have any suggestion, then please let us know in the comments down below. And with that being said, thank you so much guys for watching our video. Wishing you all a great day ahead.